Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to talk about some a major thing in W coin. Let's dive into it. So if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So W coin has already been announced that in their Telegram channel that the mining phase has been completely end. W mining is closed. So like earlier they have released like their tokenomics, which already they have released it, but they divided it like into a feature that you can see like 60% for the community and 10% for the staking full. Like here is the tokenomics, and 9% for the ecosystem fund, and then 9% again for the calls communities, 8% for CX full and so which I don't know that's MMs, and then 4% for the marketing. So W coin, we don't know what they are preparing or what they are cooking. So we really eager for W coin to be hitting to the market. So we don't know what is their next move. So let's dive into the Telegram mini app so that we can see what is happening in the W coin Telegram mini app. So basically, as we know that W coin, they have said that earlier they are going to list their token like on 29 April, which is like now 29 April has been gone without being listed. So we don't know what is their move, but right now I have been decided to make this video so for you guys. Maybe this video it will be beneficial for you to remind you, like if you didn't do the needful like in the W coin journey, if you don't connect your wallet or so on, like you don't claim your WAI, so it is very important to claim it. But me, I will not advise anyone like to put his money in W coin or any other Telegram mini app, because like right now in the situation that we are, now many of Telegram mini app that we have, they used to use their opportunities to get some income for the community. Like they are using community, they are milking the community, using advantage of the community. So as you can see, the WAI mining session, it has been concluded. The mining phase and the WAI is been completely ended. So if you gather, you have gathered it. If you don't gather it, you don't gather it. So that is, so we don't know what they are really cooking. So we are all is our what we are doing. So we are just sit down aside and wait for them to do what they are decided to do. So here. So if this video helpful to you guys, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.